Hello guys and welcome to another C++ tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a project or a C++ program from scratch. Okay, so all you're going to do is basically control N, actually file, new empty file. Okay, so we're going to create an empty file. I need to save this file somewhere. I'm gonna search for a folder to save it. Let's save it. I'm gonna create a let me create another folder here. Let's save on C projects. Actually let's create a new folder here. Let's create a new folder. I'm gonna call it CPP. Okay, let's save as program.cpp. So we got this C++ file. So all we're gonna do is basically do the following. We're gonna include the IOString library or header. You're gonna use the namespace std. We're gonna create a main function, and here we can do our call the cout function to output some text such as hello world. Okay, and let's add a new line with an add statement. So and return 0. So we got this file. Let's compile. It's not a project. It's not a project. It's actually a single file. So you guys can see hello world. It has compiled successfully. So if you guys want to do this, you guys can actually you don't need to create an entire project. You can create a single C++ file and put your program there. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.